welcome to CMB Foodstock 2023. East of Beach, straight from the streets.
Just such a wonderful, fun event. It just brings the community together, our staff, all the volunteers, our sponsors. Everybody did an amazing job. This, as you probably know, this is our second year that we've done our Foodstock Festival for charity. And it just gets bigger every year and better every year. We have incredible entertainment, all kinds of food, things for the kids to do, to play, but really what it's about is about us having an opportunity just to give back to our community and try to do something special for a group. FCVR, they do such an amazing job for families and individuals that have had a challenging time and they need some support to get them into a better environment. So for us to be able to do this and bring the community together, everybody's having so much fun. I mean, it's only 5 to 7. The place is packed. The music's going to go all 9:30. We're going to go to probably beyond, and it's just such a great way for us to give back and to have a little bit of fun, and for us to get together with our customers and the community and just enjoy each other and do something really, really good for the community and just be together. We actually doubled the size this year from what it was last year. So we used one parking lot last year, now we're using 2 parking lots, and we're still, as you say, I don't know, next year we may have to find another venue because we have 1,000 tickets for sale. There's no question we're going to sell out tonight. It's free entrance for anybody that wants to come, but to get some food tickets and so on, it's 15 florin. You get 2 meal tickets, 2 drink tickets, and a dessert ticket. And we've already paid for everything. All of the money raised here tonight, any donations, any ticket purchases, it all goes to charity. So we've already all taken care of everything. It's our thank you and our way to give back and say thank you to the community and to this wonderful cause. But yeah, so I'm not quite sure. We'll know tonight, by the end of tonight, but it's looking like we might have to grow again. So yeah, very, very excited for it to be such a huge, huge success. So we're scattering events throughout the year, and we have already some events that we do during Christmas and different times of the year. But this is something that we can definitely build on, and maybe we can transition some of this excitement and engagement and enthusiasm to maybe different times of the year. So there's no question this is really something that people, obviously they love it, they're happy to be here, they want to be part of it. So there's no question that if we wanted to do some different types of events similar to this, but for other causes, there's no reason at all why we wouldn't want to do that. So for sure, yeah. 15.
25.
Do I hear 20,000?
25.
I hear 25. 25,000 more. We're going to get 50,000 florin to FCVR this year. So let's get rid of this. 50. I am a banker. I can do this. 50,000 florin to a wonderful cause. I know it's going to be used wisely.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. FCVR, tell you from the bottom of our heart, for all the volunteers, for everybody that came out to support this, for everybody that wants to support FCVR and come out, thank you, thank you, thank you, from the bottom of our hearts. It's really, it's almost an emotional feeling when you see everybody come out and just be so committed to this, and they're having so much fun. It's such a positive event, and we need to do more of this. And Aruba is there's no better place to do this, let's be honest. Everybody here was so caring and so giving and so generous. We're just so pleased, and events like this just speak volumes about how everybody wants to come together and support each other, support the community, and have a good time, and have good food, right? Enjoy the evening. So yeah, there's no question. We're very, very thankful and very grateful to everybody that made this event come alive.
Eu não me